I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crab dip bagel. Start by toasting a bagel half and preheating the oven to 375 degrees F. In a bowl, combine lump crab, softened cream cheese, sour cream, lemon juice, Worcestershire, Old Bay, chopped parsley, and salt. Mix gently to keep lumps. Spoon the crab dip into the bagel cavity, top with shredded cheddar, and bake until golden and bubbly for about 12 minutes. Gather ingredients and prep for an easy assembly. Measure 1 cup lump crab meat, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, and 1/4 cup sour cream. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon Old Bay, and chopped parsley. Grate 1/2 cup cheddar for topping and have bagels halved and a small cavity scooped. Preheat oven so everything finishes hot and the cheese melts evenly for a perfect crab dip bagel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cooking and serving this warm crab dip bagel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. I love the Oala water bottle for keeping drinks cold on the go. It seals well and fits cup holders, making it perfect between kitchen tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, now let's get back to the video. Fill each bagel cavity evenly and sprinkle cheddar for a golden crust. Place bagels on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees F until the cheese is melted and the filling bubbles. Let rest 2 minutes to avoid runaway hot filling and to set the dip slightly. Garnish with extra parsley and a lemon wedge, then serve warm with a crisp salad or chips for contrast and satisfying crunch and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.